Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage SEAT, and today I'd like to show you around a lovely 2020 SEAT Arona SE technology that's finished in mystery blue metallic and has covered one of the lowest mileages I think we've seen on a car that's just over 4 years old. This car has only covered 16,000 miles. Now, this short presentation will show you inside and outside around the car, so you can see how lovely the condition of it really is. Now, the first thing you notice when you go inside the Aronas is this lovely big media screen. You have a contrasting grey dashboard which matches up with the grey and black seats, both of which are height adjustable, so plenty of support and plenty of adjustment there for you. The rear seats, seating for 5 in total, 2 3-point belts on the outside and a centre 3-point belt for the slightly smaller person that would be going in there. Those seats fold down in a 60-40 split, and when you move around to the boot you see you have a level boot floor. Now, the Arona's quite clever that this floor actually has a second height fixing, so if I lift this up, just drop it back a couple of inches and then slide it forward, it makes the boot a little deeper, so if you're carrying boxes that you don't want to slide around in the boot, you can adjust it from there as well. Then you have ISOFIX fixings in the rear, so you've got 2 ISOFIX fixings on the outside. That's just behind those little plastic toggles there, so that can secure the car seats in. And then when you move around into the driver's seat, you've got a fully height adjustable steering wheel for rake and reach. You've got a wireless phone charger, which is brilliant nowadays, so if your phone is capable of doing that, slots into that little lever and little cradle in front. Air conditioning, satellite navigation, digital radio, Bluetooth hands-free, media streaming, you name it. Cruise control as well, which is great. And there's the mileage, 16,027, that's all it's done. Automatic headlights, that's also a standard feature on here as well, as is electric windows and wind mirrors. So if you're looking for a very, very low mileage SEAT Arona, this one's priced at $12,795, so it's great value. It will come fully serviced, will come freshly MOT'd and with a 12-month warranty. So if we can help any further, please come and get in touch. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.